And now here is the short question number 1. Give IUPAC names of the following compounds. These compounds are written below. You have to write the proper IUPAC names of the following compounds. And now question number 2 is write structural formula of following compounds. Here are the four given compounds. Number 1, 2-chloro-4-ethyl hexane. 2, tertiary butyl chloride. 3, tetrabromoethane. And 4, 2-chloro-2,4-dimethyl pentane. And question 3, what are primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides? Question 4, SOCl2 is the best reagent to get alkyl chloride from alcohols. So write equation and solvent necessary to carry out the reaction. Question 5, write 2 reactions for the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. Question 6, write one excellent method for preparation of ethyl iodide. And question 7 is write the main factors on which reactivity of alkyl halide depends. And now question 8 is define nucleophile, electrophile and leaving group with examples. Question 9, give general pattern of SN2 and SN1 mechanisms. Question 10, what are beta elimination reactions? Differentiate E1 and E2 elimination mechanisms. And question 11 is what is Wurtz's synthesis? Starting from ethyl chloride, prepare N-butane. Question 12 is write reaction of ethyl chloride with sodium lead alloy to prepare tetraethyl lead, which is an anti-knocking agent. Question 13, how Grignard reagent is prepared and explain structure and reactivity of Grignard reagents. Question 14, how would you prepare 1-butanol using ethyl magnesium bromide? Or this question may be written as how does ethyl magnesium bromide reacts with ethylene epoxide? Question 15, how propanoic acid is prepared from ethyl magnesium bromide?